Hello, my name is Daniel Buturoaga, and I'm doing my SciComm project on deductive versus inductive reasoning. Just explaining the difference between the two, and then later on what it looks like when they're combined for certain types of research. So, what is deductive and inductive reasoning? Deductive reasoning can be defined in simple terms as the process by which theories are applied to an observation and then confirmed, while inductive reasoning is the process by which theories are formed from an observation. So basically, for deductive reasoning, a term that some people use is the top down, where you go from a theory, which is the top, to forming a hypothesis, seeing that hypothesis in observation, and then confirming the theory. So theory going from the very top to the bottom being observations, top down. While inductive reasoning can be defined as bottom up. You see multiple observations, you see a reoccurring pattern, form possible hypothesis, and then create a theory based on that can be applied to all the observations. And when applied in real life, deductive reasoning can be used to explain certain events from a general theory. An example I have is all mammals have lungs, which would be the theory. An elephant is a mammal, an observation, so then you confirm that since an elephant is a mammal and all mammals have lungs, all elephants must have lungs. Top down. While inductive reasoning is used to make a theory from certain events. The sun has risen every morning in the past. Those are observations and patterns. So then you form a hypothesis that the sun must rise tomorrow as well, and then form the theory that every day after that it must also rise. And basically, deductive and inductive reasoning are opposites from one another. First comes hypotheses from deductive reasoning that are confirmed through observations in inductive reasoning. The process of deductive and inductive reasoning being used to confirm, deny, change, or even create new theories about the world. And this is seen in the scientific method. You see observations, or you have problems, you see observations, you form a hypothesis, you design an experiment, collect the data, and then make theories or conclusions that explain from the problem or observation you saw. And then, what is quantitative versus qualitative data or experiments? Because those are applied to deductive and inductive. To achieve deductive or inductive reasoning, experiments must occur using the hypotheses that you formed. Deductive reasoning uses quantitative method, where you find numeric data to understand the bigger picture, the what, and you use graphs, pie graphs, bar graphs to understand deductive reasoning, the theory. While inductive reasoning uses qualitative method where you look at the details instead of the numbers, the details of the situation using the how or why. And for qualitative data research, you do one-on-one in interviews, focus groups, ethnographic research, case study research, record keeping, and qualitative observations, seeing why things happen or how things happen, the details. And then, when you use you can look at them separately, or you can combine them, looking at the quantitative and qualitative, and that's defined as the mixed methods research that uses both the process and the outcome for explanation. And that's about it. Thank you very much.